Welcome to BrandCrock plugin configuration video. In this video we explain plugin configuration for stock maintenance. Install and activate the stock maintenance plugin. Now go to plugin configuration. Select Yes from Active drop-down and save. Now go to Shop and refresh the page to see the changes. Listed items now have a visible stock status bar. Now go to any item and click on Variant Stock Details. Pop-up will appear and stock status is also visible in the table. Low stock and out of stock variable located in plugin configuration inside Plugin Manager. Adjust low and out of stock variables according to your requirements and save. Now go to Shop and refresh the page to see the changes. Plugin indicate in stock with green color, low stock in yellow and out of stock in red. Thanks for watching. Try our plugin now, for 30 days, free trial. Click on the link given in the description to download free trial version. For more updates and Shopware video tutorials, please subscribe to our channel. And also do not forget to press the bell icon, so that you never miss our upcoming videos.